Carmen, dati nyo rin pong naging Vice Mayor si Dr. Hani Lacuna. So, she conceded already. You are asking, you actually said, she conceded already. She did. And then, you are also calling for healing. So, apart from this reaching out, will there be any other efforts to reach out exactly to her para talagang mas maging unified ang buong Maynila?
Thank you, Maris, for asking such a question. Yes, we are. Of course, I did it before. Many times. Even with former President Joseph Vera Estrada, even to the point, Mayor Lim. In fact, not only that we reach out, may tinanong pangako kay Mayor Lim yun. Paano mariresolve yung case and order. Humingi pa ako ng tip. But in this case, of course, we will do so if we were allowed to be there. Every time ako, alam mo, marami na akong baldog sa buhay. Marami na akong nakakokong sa paa dahil sa pagkakatawa sa buhay. Maraming tapanan, maraming stumbling blocks. But at the end of the day, I think we should continue to value ang pagpapalaga sa nakaraan. At pagpapalaga, hindi ka pagpapalaga sa kinabukasan. Yes,
ano ang pakiramdam na magbabalik kayo sa Maynila bilang mayor?
Excited, but I know it's gonna be challenging because it's like doing it again. Parang back to zero. But to the people who are watching, sa ating mga kababayan, manatag kayo, I'll do my best.
So your mayor,
bring back certainty, order, everything in our city.
Norman, you're expecting smooth transition.
I am. Well, that's what I did in the past. I mean, and even my predecessor, that's what they did. I think that's the norm. That's the normal way to do it, so that we can move on. Kasi, you know, this is not about us anymore.
It's about
people. So, if we really love our people, we ought to serve. I think that's the only way to start and begin the journey of the city of Manila and the people who live in the city.
Mayor.
Oo, thank you mga taga-Tondo ha. Nirequest ko lang manalo eh. Ginawa niyo pang number. I'm really grateful and happy for him. And I told him, naku anak, yari ka. They say talagang now you're given a chance. You have to prove yourself. Well, I hope. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, anak, basta matuturuan kita kung paano magtutulungan. Pero hindi ko kayang ituro sa iyo kung paano magmalasakit sa tao. Because it is you
within
as a person. In you. Innate. Ay na naman. Away niyo eh. Ano siya, ano ang puso rin niya eh.
baba.
Madali siyang matap sa sitwasyon ng tao. And I'm happy because that's a good start. Kasi if you are sympathetic, or what you call empathic, sa kataliwan ng tao, that's a good start of governance. Kasi lagi yan nahabulin ka at the back of your mind. What is your purpose? Being in public. So I'm excited and happy for you. Congratulations, Joaquin.
Mayor, unang lilinisin sa Maynila, sa Kaluna.
Ayun, rito. Anan, kanto mo, kanto nila. Lahat ng kanto rito sa Maynila. Kanto talaga. I mean, total tapos naman na ang kampanya. We're just being realistic. I'll do my best. I hope the two contractors or garbage collection will have a different approach under our administration. At hindi ako mangingimi kung ano man yung mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila nag-voting. Because kapakanan ng taong bayan kung pinag-uusapan natin, hindi negosyo nila. Hindi sanidad ng tao. At ang sanidad ay issue ng mahirap, ng middle class at ng
Lahat,
dahil ang sanidad ay nagdudulot ang sakit at ang sakit na dulot ito, walang pinipiling katayuan sa dito.
Correct.
So, they have to catch up under my watch. But for the meantime, I will let Mayor Hani Lacuna do her job for the remainder of, I think, 6 weeks. Kasi siya naman ang mayor. Kaya mga bata, huwag niyo muna akong message sa cancellation ng klase. Hindi pa po ako mayor. Mayor-elect pa lang ako. Kasi marami ako na-receive na yung tawag dito. Yorme, may pasok pa bukas. Hello mga estudyante, mag-ingat kayo. I love you. I'll see you soon.
Kay Vice Mayor Chi, ina-expect mo ba na ganun kalaki yung makukuha mo number?
To be honest, when I entered this, the only thing that I had in my mind is to bring back hope in people's lives. I didn't even think of ending. Hindi ko inisip kung importante ko kasi sa akin. Kapag nandun at hawak ko ang broken sense of love, napaalala ko parang sinulga. So in terms of yung tanong mo, to answer that, to be honest, I did not expect anything. And I was just happy with the journey ko sa kanya. And I'm happy because nakikita ko na kahit paano nabubuhayan ng mga tao dun sa mga nasabi ko. And huwag sila magalala. Dahil kung ano mga pinaka ko namin ni Yorme, gagawin namin yan.
Vice Mary, majority people yung consider other parties. How open are you as reciting officer to take all of those messages? So you can do that good ordinances. How open are you to like brainstorming and getting various ideas regardless of party lines? Para makapagpapalagay.
Councilor for 23, Dong Isip, Pamela Bugoso, Maria Jensa, Paul Sarkal,